Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send money to someone overseas quickly and securely? Perhaps you were supporting a family member abroad, paying for a service, or simply settling a debt. If so, you've probably come across Paysend, a popular online money transfer service. But is Paysend really a reliable option? Let's dive into it. What is Paysend? Paysend is a global money transfer platform that allows you to send money to over 125 countries. It offers a variety of features, including fast transfer speeds, competitive exchange rates, and a user-friendly interface. But before you decide to use Paysend, it's important to understand how it works and what to look out for. How does Paysend work? Step-by-step guide. Create an account on the Paysend website or app. Add your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or credit card. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, country, and bank account information. Select the amount you want to send and choose your preferred currency. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. Fees and exchange rates. Discuss Paysend's fee structure, including fixed fees, percentage fees, and exchange rate markups. Compare Paysend's fees to other popular money transfer services. Paysend security features. Data encryption. Explain how Paysend uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information. Two-factor authentication. Discuss the importance of two-factor authentication and how it can enhance your account security. Fraud protection. Explore Paysend's measures to prevent fraudulent transactions and protect users from scams. Paysend's customer support. Channels of communication. Discuss the different ways users can contact Paysend's customer support, such as email, phone, and live chat. Response times. Share your experience with Paysend's customer support, including how quickly they responded to your inquiries and how helpful they were. User reviews and testimonials. Positive and negative feedback. Gather and analyze user reviews and testimonials from various online platforms. Common complaints and issues. Address any recurring complaints or issues reported by Paysend users. Alternatives to Paysend. Popular competitors. Introduce other well-known money transfer services such as TransferWise, Western Union, and MoneyGram. Comparison of features. Compare Paysend to its competitors in terms of fees, exchange rates, speed, and security. Is Paysend reliable? Overall assessment. Based on your research and analysis, provide a comprehensive assessment of Paysend's reliability. Factors to consider. Highlight the key factors that contribute to Paysend's reliability, such as its security features, customer support, and user reviews. Final thoughts. Summarize your findings and offer your final recommendation regarding whether Paysend is a reliable money transfer service. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their experiences with Paysend in the comments section and subscribe for more financial tips and reviews. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, when it comes to sending money overseas, do your research and choose a service that you can trust.